Hello friend, in this video we can find the value of x. The question is 9 to the power of x divided by 72 is equal to 18. So if you are new in my page then kindly follow to my page. Thanks for watching. So now we start the solution of this question. Solution from here. Dear student, firstly I can rewrite the question here, which is 9 to the power of x divided by 72 is equal to 18. Now in the next step I can write the given step is 9 to the power of x divided by 72 I can write is 9 times 8 is equal to also 18 I can write is 9 times 2. Now in the next step I can multiplying and dividing both side by 8 divided by 9 multiply by 9 to the power of x divided by 9 times 8 as it is equal to 9 times 2 multiply by 8 divided by 9. Dear student, I hope you can clear from here. Now here this 8 and this 8 will be cancel each other. Also this 9 and this 9 will be cancel with each other. And just remaining 9 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times 8 equals 16. Now dear student, here I can use one rule, which is m to the power of a divided by m to the power of b is equal to, we can write m to the power of a minus b. I can use this rule in this step. So I can write it as 9 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 16. Now I apply log on both sides. So it can become log 9 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to log 16. Now here in the right side equation again I use one rule, which is log m to the power of a is equal to a log m. Okay student, now I use this rule in the given step. So it become x minus 2 into log 9 is equal to log 16. So now I divide both sides by log 9. Here be I can divide by log 9. This log 9 will be cancel this one and it can just remaining x minus 2 is equal to log 16 divided by log 9. Now in the next step, this step can be written as x minus 2 is equal to log 16. I can write as log 2 to the power of 4 divided by Log 9 can be written as log 3 to the power of 2. Now I am going to the next page. So dear student, now I use again one rule here. So I write x minus 2 is equal to, this 4 can become here. So 4 log 2 divided by, also this 2 comes here before, 2 log 3. Dear student, I hope you can clear from here. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we can write it as x minus 2 is equal to 2 log 2 divided by log 3. Okay, so now in the next step I can write this step as x minus 2 is equal to, here I can take common 2, so I can write it as log 2 divided by log 3. Now I can use here again one rule of log, which is log m divided by log p is equal to log m base p. Now here I can use this rule in the right side. So it can become x minus 2 is equal to 2 log 2 base 3. Now here I add both side plus 2. So here I can add plus 2, and here this negative 2 and positive 2 cancel with each other, and just remaining x is equal to 2 log 2 base 3 plus 2. This is the final answer of this math question. Dear student, if you enjoy my video, then like to the video and subscribe to the channel for more this type of maths problem. And dear student, tell me in the comment section that either you like my method of teaching or not. Thanks for watching.